Hello everyone, welcome back to AE Drone Academy. Today I'm going to reveal two powerful but often overlooked features that make this drone a serious asset for commercial operations like farming, infrastructure inspection, and construction. These capabilities are designed to keep your data secure, even in the rare event your drone is compromised. And once you see them in action, you'll understand why they are a game changer. For years, the biggest threat to commercial drones has been cybersecurity. A hacked drone isn't just a privacy issue, it's a mission failure. Attackers can steal sensitive files, take control mid-flight, or even use the drone as a launch point to breach other systems. Until recently, many operators underestimated this risk, assuming it only applied to military UAVs or drones flying over restricted areas. But that's no longer the case. A turning point came in 2021 when a commercial drone crashed onto White House grounds. The pilot wasn't malicious, but the incident triggered an immediate 8-mile no-fly zone around the area and highlighted how vulnerable the skies can be. It also spurred lawmakers to push for stronger encryption and strict data handling standards. The Pentagon took notice too, awarding Skydio a multi-million-dollar contract to supply secure, military-grade drones to the U.S. Army and Marine Corps. Their reasoning? Cybersecurity isn't optional when lives and national security are at stake. For years, we've been asking drone manufacturers to tackle remote takeovers, unauthorized access, and data leaks head-on. Now the best in the industry have responded, building security into every layer of the drone's hardware, software, and communications. But here's the question. Can your drone protect your data, your mission, and your business? Welcome to AE Drone Academy, where we break down drone technology, security strategies, and the future of unmanned flight. Today, we're counting down the top 12 most cyber-secure drones in 2025, from specialized tactical UAVs to flagship models from Autel, Skydio, and DJI. 12 Ascent Aero Systems Spirit UAV. Rugged cylindrical, built for extreme conditions, AES-2, 5.6 encryption, and secure plug-and-play modules make it perfect for tactical missions where interception is not an option. 11. Freefleet Autel X, Auterion OS. Built on the secure PX4 flight stack with Auterion's hardened enterprise software. Used in critical industrial inspections and government operations requiring lockdown communications. 10. AeroVironment Quantix Recon. Compact, operates fully offline, encrypts all captured data, and secures flight logs. Ideal for defense and sensitive mapping projects. 9. Quantum Systems Trinity Pro. NATO-grade encryption, secure telemetry, and versatile payload options. A go-to for military-grade mapping and ISR, where data must stay protected end-to-end. 8. Parrot Anafi USA Gov Edition. AES XDS encryption, signed firmware, no default data sharing, and NDAA compliance. Built for first responders and government agencies who can't afford a breach. 7. DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise. AES 256 encrypted video control, local data mode for cloud-free operation, and app-free flight capability. Not NDAA compliant, but a solid commercial security option. 6. DJI Matrice 350 RTK. AES 256 transmission, secure boot, local data mode, and custom firmware make it a robust tool for civil infrastructure, though still not NDAA compliant. 5. Teledyne FLIR Skyranger R80D, battlefield-grade encryption trusted by NATO and U.S. Border Patrol, designed for all-weather missions where secure command links are non-negotiable. 4. Autel Dragonfish Pro, long-range VTOL with encrypted comms, secure GPS, and payload versatility, tailor-made for maritime patrol and law enforcement missions. 3. Autel EVO Max 4 TNXE, new for 2025. The upgraded successor to the EVO Max 4T, the XE model delivers better weather resistance, enhanced imaging, improved networking, and hardened communications. Equipped with anti-jamming tech, AES 256 encryption, secure offline logs, and faster AI-assisted navigation. It's built for enterprise and public safety teams that need a next-generation cyber-secure platform. 2. Skydio X10 US DoD certified fully NDAA compliant, autonomous navigation, and secure OS. Purpose-built for defense in high-threat environments. 1. Skydio X10, Zero Trust Architecture, Edge AI Processing, AES 256, Encryption, Offline Mode, and Unmatched Autonomy make this the most cyber-resilient drone in 2025. Recent firmware upgrades have improved precision launches and secure controller connectivity, making it even more capable in complex missions. Final thought, in the drone world, a security breach is more than a glitch. It's a mission failure. Whether you're inspecting infrastructure, managing farms, or conducting tactical operations, your UAV must be your most trusted teammate. Which drone on this list earns your trust? Let us know in the comments. And for more deep dives into drone technology, regulations, and security, subscribe to AE Drone Academy. Stay smart, fly secure,